Would you like a one-way or a round-trip ticket? A round trip, please. I would like a window seat. Are there any available? I'm really sorry. They are all booked. How much is first class and economy class? It's $250 for first class and $185 for economy class. Do I get a discount for a 2-week advanced purchase? You do. You get a 20% discount. How much carry-on baggage and checked baggage am I allowed? Checked baggage up to 30 kilograms and a piece of carry-on baggage up to 5 kilograms. Is it a direct flight or is there a layover? How long is the layover? You have a 1-hour layover in Hong Kong. What's the departure and arrival time? The plane takes off at 8:35 in the morning and lands at 2:30 in the afternoon. Will there be a lunch or snacks served in flight? There's no lunch, but a light snack is served. Can I change my itinerary? Is there a penalty for it? Yes, you can, but a light penalty is applied. Are tickets refundable? No, they aren't.